Hey guys, today is Pokezircom 7 and this is my second Next Destinies booster pack, so let's get open some YouTube pack. Keep these packs in good condition. So I do have an HSN down booster box still sealed right here. See the Pokemon sign, which I'm really pumped up, excited. So I'm looking for a full art EX or anything like that. Hope something's there. Oh god, please don't show. Okay. Please be something good. Code card. Well, that felt smooth. That felt smooth. Muna, Pansear, Routes, Tarmako, Elgium, Kricketune, Mintino, Jigglypuff, Lapras, and Semi-Stage. So thank you for watching. No K Lapras Pulse. So there, and I'm opening up my third Next Destiny packs and my Mewtwo collection boot pack. Box. If you're watching, please comment and subscribe.